Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, S.M.W. Outdoor Fishing Adventures, or welcome to. Today is another outing on the water. Today's July 19th, 5:45 in the morning, so it's pretty early. Not sure what's going to happen today. We're in post-spawn period here, and I don't know, I've been pretty much grinding so far this summer, working really hard to pick up my 4, 5, 6 fish, so hopefully today I can get into a real serious pattern here and multiply my fish catch. I'm slowing things down a little bit. I'm going to a little bigger bait, so see if that happens. I can get into a pattern. So further ado, let me get all set up here and shoved off, and we'll see you in a bit. Bye. All right, welcome back, everybody. Battling some mosquitoes here again, of course. Today I'm going to do basically what I usually do, start out with this lipless, and we'll go on and see if we can target something today. I got to get refreshment, I'm thirsty. Right in this area here I'm marking a ton of fish, so I don't know, I just don't know what's going to happen today. But it's been a week since I've been out, having some dental issues and was in quite a bit of pain. So now from this time on, I've really got to fish hard. Because like I said, my time is limited. Summer's starting with my son, which is more important than fishing. I really actually only got 3 more months to fish before it gets cold again. We got to get off the water for the year. So, first cast in the morning, see what we can do. Tighten things up here a little bit. Forgot to charge my my fish locator battery, so I started using my one of my old phones and putting Google Maps on. Finally found this cradle that works really good. I mean, you can just jam that thing in there and tighten it down really good. So I'll be using that if my locator goes out, but I'll still follow it because you can tell, I don't know if you can see it or not, like all in through here there's these white spots. Those are all rocks. Fish like to hang on there because it's warmer. Then you can kind of see in here it's weeds. Then on the opposite side here, you can see it kind of, I don't know, it goes into these, I call them little ditches. So, I mean, everywhere, these spots here where I find those rocks, that's basically where I do the best. So, not always, but sometimes. Looks like we're marking some fish over here off this point. Well, let's see what happens in this cove. I haven't caught a fish in here yet. Talk about my kayak a little bit. Love the kayak. It's stable. Like the features. One thing I'm very disappointed. I don't care if anybody doesn't think that this is professional or not, but their customer service is horrible. First time out, they have these latches on the still acting up, on these dry boxes. And the first time out, the one right here, the front one snapped. So I messaged them, I don't know how many times. Finally, they got back to me, and they said because it's 3 months out, I have to pay for the part. Well, I never said that in the warranty. And 2, why is this at? Oh, there we go. I'm in northern Michigan, and we're close to the Canadian border, and we get horrible winters. And we don't get ice out sometimes until end of April. And that's what happened this year. And so they tried it. charging me $10 for the part and $10 to ship it. And I argued with them. I said, you know, really, how could I use my kayak in those 3 months? Am I supposed to skip it along the ice and ice fish out of it? So very, very disappointed. I was going to pull the logos off, but they're spray painted on. I'm that disappointed in them. I mean, they know I showed them my my YouTube channel and me fishing in their kayak and catching fish in their kayak, and it just didn't matter to them. But $10 to ship it? No way. So what I did is I just flip-flopped them, and the other one in front I'm going to epoxy it in and get a little self-tapping screw and fix it that way. Very disappointed. One of the reasons why I bought this kayak is I'm on Line Cutters Pro staff, and they're affiliated with Hoodoo Kayaks. So that's the kayak story for the day. I'm not telling you to not buy a Hoodoo. I mean, I love the kayak. I do love the kayak. It's just that, I don't know. Maybe you'll have better customer service than I did. I should have bought it through Line Cutters, but I went with this company because I was able to, with Hoodoo itself, because I was able to finance it. Thank God, one more payment, it'll be paid off, but I don't know. Don't know. I finally found some of my videos that I thought I lost, so I forced to actually upload them in parts. So I've been getting those on. Another thing is I'm getting close to, I think I got seven or 5 more subscribers, and I'm at 3,000, and I'm giving away a $50 Reaction Tackle gift card. I got nobody signed up. It's not a scam. Reaction Tackle's not a scam. I order it right through there, so it's going to be shipped out right from Reaction Tackle. So sign up. I mean, $50 to get you a nice fishing shirt or a bunch of tackle, line. You know, it's. I don't understand why. Actually, my last 2 videos that I did giveaways, I got nobody to sign up. I'll keep the $50 if nobody wants it. This little cove in here has been fantastic over the years, but there we go. I was going to say it hasn't been good, but today's a good start. Come on, Buster. Pliers out. Hold on, mister. Hold on. You'll get released. Little guy, but it works. Little guy. Nice healthy fish. Thank you. Good start of the morning. I just said I haven't been doing really good in this cove, and there one hits. And there again, it came off those little rocks right in here. So actually this week I'm going to be going to a couple different lakes. So keep your eyes on those. But like as far as I said, everybody else that I'm on their pro staffs and everything, they've been great. Like Mickey Finn, I don't mention them enough, but they're a fishing company. They sell some lures, but mostly gear, mostly clothing and dry bags, that type of thing. I mean, every time I order from them, they're just throwing a bunch of stuff, gloves or whatever they have, stickers, beanies, hat. They sent me a full package of a bunch of stuff and more of a pro staff situation where it didn't cost me nothing. I wanted some shred fin stickers. They sent me a bunch. So I've been fortunate to be a part of these companies, but this, I'm really disappointed. I would have paid the $9, but $9 not to ship it. Sorry. That fish was a male, so a little deeper. Must be off the beds, so I'm thinking fully spawned out. Well, last year, I think it was July 7th, and I hit a 15 fish day, and they were all in the shallows, so I don't know. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm catching fish, but I guess maybe spoiled. But I've been grinding. Grinding a bit. And every time out I go, man, the mosquitoes. I throw on some my pro staff's gear. Today I have on Kayak. I picked up one of their jackets. Of course, with being on the pro staff, it's more than affordable. I got their shirts on, and I'll work up this cove a little bit now. Maybe not, that's not where the kayak is driving me. Yeah, they're not here in the shallows, that's for sure. I had a bite right there. That's a bluegill there. I don't know what that was that bit. Maybe it was a bluegill that pulled on the tail. Oh, sorry about that, people. It was on that log. I didn't want to get caught on that thing again. I'm not going to waste too much more time in here. I'll go hit over there with the crankbait. Do what I used to do with my other patterns. There we go. Oh, he got off again. Got down in that log. There's a log that goes all the way here, and it seems like they always take me down in that. It happened the other day too. Get away from that thing. I don't know if there was a fish on it. It felt like a fish at first. I don't know. All right, people, I'm in a little shallower water here, and I'm gonna get this my locator back into fish mode. Instead of the let's see here. Yeah, I'm really in shallow here where they were in last time, or a couple times ago. They're just not in here now. One more cast, and we're gonna mosey on up there and start throwing crankbait again. There was a bite. Wasn't paying attention. Let's get it back there. Could have been a bluegill too, pulling at it. And there's some big bluegills in here. There we go. Not a big one, but it's fish. Tiny guy. But it'll work, I guess. Little smallmouth. Little smallie. Thank you, guy. It'll work.